We will guide you through how to give access in 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click your browser icon to launch it and wait for the browser window to open. Next, click the address bar and type 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 into the field. Press enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the results appear, select the top option labeled 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘. The 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 page will then appear on your screen. Before you can manage project access, sign in using your 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 account. If you do not have an account yet, select the option to sign up and create one so you can access 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘. After you have signed in or completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to the 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 homepage. From there, open the project folder where you want to edit access. Once the folder is open, click on your project thumbnail to view its available options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Members. After selecting this option, you can set and grant access to anyone you want. If your project should be restricted to members only, make sure Make Restricted is enabled. This setting ensures that your project folder is accessible only to members or people you specifically invite. If the project is intended to be public, you can disable this feature instead. Next, use the available access options to set permissions for specific members. You can choose Full Access, which provides the broadest permissions, or select Edit and Share, or just Edit, depending on what each person needs. You can also choose View Only or Comment Only access when members should have fewer permissions. If your project has multiple members, you can set access individually for each person. Review the permissions carefully to make sure every member has the appropriate level of access before finishing.